Ultimately, what will determine the success is how much the players will stay in the game once they find it, because players will find the game. And I think the best example of that being the case, if the game is good, the players will stay, is this right here. I think that's the best example. You guys know Backpack Battles on Steam. We have taken a look at this. At this point, it's common knowledge that this game is really not important. I don't know why I say important. Really successful. We have about 35,000 players on release, and now it's dribbled down, you know, and recent update and not update, a discount of 20% gave them another jump of players. Huge player numbers. And we can also go to Backpack Battles demo. This is the demo version, and this is what it looks like in terms of charts. When we take a look at the maximum player count, it started out, even the demo started out with almost 200 players, 400 players, 2,000 players. So why am I showing you this? The reason why I'm showing you this is because they have another game too, and they do YouTube content, by the way, that is Crucifus Function, and you can take a look at the demo as well. Here are the charts for Crucifus Function. They did have some, and the game has been out for over a year at this point. Or the demo version. You see this? The player numbers here? This is the difference between a good idea and a good game, and maybe not so much, or oversaturation. They have the same amount of marketing for the games. Maybe one game has a bit more marketing than the other one, but even in the beginning, where they did not have much marketing, this game outperformed this game already in a couple of weeks. The reason why I'm saying this is if I release my game and the game is not going to be that great, maybe, you know, maybe it's not great, people don't like it, then I will probably have something like this. That's what I can expect. You know, a couple of players here and there, a couple of sales here and there. And so gameplay does matter, of course, yes. Yes, I can't stress how important it is to build a community early on and get people to play the demo. I think you need to have a demo out to gauge interest in the demo, yes. And the stats will tell you. So I did that, right? I did that. I have a demo out. And it's not great. So currently 0 are playing it. And on charts, we can see that over the course of the entire lifetime of the demo, I had like a maximum player count of 6. You know, sometimes people are playing the game. Not much. Okay, so the demo is out and it gives me data that people don't like it. So we changed the demo. And so with this game, by the way, with their game, they did have some big player numbers here, big spikes. These are probably events. They need to change the demo to make it better so people play it for longer. Because then it will look something like this. Better. Even here, you could see that the demo is still there. 190, 200 players, 300 players. Last updated in 2022. Why do you keep the same demo for over 2 years? Well, because I was using that time to research how to make a better game. So you could think about my first demo on Steam. You can think about this as my first game I put out on Steam. And so then I realized that shit, this is not gonna do it. So this, by the way, this has time. If you play through this, you can spend like 2 hours in this. Minimum, easily, even more, you know? So I realized that this was not the way forward. And so then I rewrote the entire engine in OpenGL. I rewrote the entire systems multiple times. I iterated over the systems multiple times. I iterated over the art multiple times. I changed this grass to a different grass to a different grass. Like I changed the grass like 5 times or something. I changed the trees 5 times. I changed the UI 10 times. No, I did work on the gameplay too. Of course. Gameplay, how abilities are used, how fast the enemies move, stat systems. I worked on lighting too. Yes, I worked on lighting as well. On a quick glance, the game looks the same though. The dev won't be seen on a screenshot. So you're telling me that this screenshot right here looks the same as this. What's this? Knockoff Bloons CD? Come on. It is definitely heavily inspired by Bloons, yes sir. But, that being said, this game has a unique... It's unique, okay? I just used this map to show that I'm making a tower defense game, okay? Because everyone knows Bloons. Where's Monkey Meadow? This is Monkey Meadow. Monkey Money? Oh, Monkey Money. Okay, yeah. Cakez, this is a waterfall method of development, but with no plan. Worst of both worlds. No, I don't agree with you. I totally don't agree with you. I'm essentially just spending time on the game, making it better. I just don't agree. I think any developer goes through this before they make their first really good game. Ultimately, when you are 16 and you're getting into game development and you spend 4 years making trash games, that time is spent learning. When you're a developer and your first game is, you try to make Witcher 3 as your first game, you spend 4 years doing that. That is how you learn. When you participate in game jams over the course of 10 years and you sporadically join game jams and do a little bit here and a little bit there, that's how you learn. Cuboid's Bullet made a Vampire Survivors clone. So incredible game developer, in my opinion, has been making games for over 10 years next to his job, as far as I remember. He spent that time to learn. And so ultimately, it's just time spent learning. It's not wasted. Absolutely not. I will complete the game. You're wrong. You're totally wrong. You hate watcher. No. Just wait.